String methods. Python provides a set of built-in methods that we can use to alter and modify the strings. Upper. The upper method converts a string to uppercase. Example. str1 is equal to appdefgh. Print str1.upper. Output. appdefgh. Lower. The lower method converts a string to lowercase. Example. str1 is equal to appdefgh. Print str1.lower. Output. appdefgh. Strip. The strip method removes any white spaces before and after the string. Example. str2 is equal to silver spoon. Print str2.strip. Output. Silver spoon. rstrip. The rstrip removes any trailing characters. Example. str3 is equal to hello. Print str3.rstrip. Output. Hello. Replace. The replace method replaces all occurrences of a string with another string. Example. str2 is equal to silver spoon. Print str2.replace spm. Output. Silver moon. Split. The split method splits the given string at the specified instance and returns the separated strings as list items. Example. str2 is equal to silver spoon. Print str2.split splits the string at the white space. Output. Silver spoon. There are various other string methods that we can use to modify our strings. Capitalize. The capitalize method turns only the first character of the string to uppercase and the rest other characters of the string are turned to lowercase. The string has no effect if the first character is already uppercase. Example. str1 is equal to hello. Capstr1 is equal to str1.capitalize. Print capstr1. str2 is equal to hello world. Capstr2 is equal to str2.capitalize. Print capstr2. Output. Hello. Hello world. Center. The center method aligns the string to the center as per the parameters given by the user. Example. str1 is equal to welcome to the console. Print str1.center 50. Output. Welcome to the console. We can also provide padding character. It will fill the rest of the fill characters provided by the user. Example. str1 is equal to welcome to the console. Print str1.center 50. Output. Welcome to the console. Count. The count method returns the number of times the given value has occurred within the given string. Example. str2 is equal to abracadabra. Count str is equal to str2.count a. Print count str. Output. 4. Ends with. The ends with method checks if the string ends with a given value. If yes, then return true, else return false. Example. str1 is equal to welcome to the console. Print str1.ends with. Output. True. We can even also check for a value in between the string by providing start and end index positions. Example. str1 is equal to welcome to the console. Print str1.ends with 2, 4, 10. Output. True.